Hi, this is Adrian. I'm making this video because there are lots of tutorials on how to use other instruments inside MuseScore, but none on how to use MuseScore instruments inside other DAWs or plugins. Why would you want to do that other than the great percussion samples and low memory usage? I'm not sure, but that was my reasoning, and I figured out how to use MuseScore drumline, which is free inside Mixcraft 9 with Sforzando VST. You'll need MuseScore and the drumline SFZ files, which you must install manually through MuseScore's library menus. I'll link the instructions in the description since my MuseScore is in another language. After the install, you simply find your favorite SFZ player. I have Sforzando by Plog. Install it and make sure it opens in your workstation of choice. Unless you also installed the optional free instrument pack, it probably won't do much just yet. Now find the folder in which drumline was installed under Documents/MuseScore or wherever else you may have it installed. Copy it and rename it if you want, and paste it into the folder of choice. I suggest lumping it wherever all of your other SFZs usually go. It should be about 25 megabytes, it's pretty small. Once it's in place, go to Sforzando, find the instrument box, select Import, find MuseScore drumline, and the instrument should all be there as individual patches. It's a bit clunky to work with on piano roll as opposed to music notation, but for those accustomed to drum kits with octave shortcuts, it should pose no problem. Works nicely with the MIDI keyboard. Play around with it a bit. If it's too dry for your taste, see about a little tweaking with stereo expanders, compression, transient shapers, or whatever effects you want. I personally use Kashmir Essentials Kick. That's KSHMR Essentials Kick, which is also free. I'm going to play a sample of my end result after this and drop a link in the description, but if you haven't thought of this one before now, try it. Taking freebies and doing stuff you ain't supposed to do is a blast. I'd love to see everyone else's experiments. Feel free to post them in the comments, like, and subscribe.